Key indicators of financial literacy. 10 habits of a financially savvy individual. Money is a crucial aspect of life, and financial education is one of the most important lessons that anyone can learn. A financially educated person is someone who understands how to manage their money effectively, make wise investment decisions, and achieve long-term financial stability. In this video, we will discuss the top 10 signs of a financially educated person. Welcome to Joseph Leopard Finance, the channel where you can learn all about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? Then you're in the right place. I've spent years studying finance and I'm here to share everything I've learned with you. So, if you are new to the channel, please click the subscribe button for more types of videos like these and ring the notification bell so you won't miss one. Let's get right into the video. First one, they have a budget. The first sign of a financially educated person is that they have a budget. Budgeting is a fundamental aspect of financial management, and it helps to ensure that people is spending their money wisely. A budget allows a person to see where the money is going, and it helps them identify areas where they can cut back on expenses. A financially educated person creates a budget and sticks to it. A financially educated person understands the importance of budgeting and take the time to create a budget that works for them. They know that a budget is not only important for managing their finances, but also for achieving their financial goals. They start by identifying their income and expenses. This includes everything from their salary to their monthly bills, groceries, and entertainment expenses. They also take into account their savings goals and allocate a portion of their income towards saving and investing. Second, they pay themselves first. Another sign of a financially educated person is that they pay themselves first. Paying yourself first means that you set aside a portion of your income for savings or investments before paying bills or other expenses. This habit ensures that a person is consistently saving and investing, even if they have unexpected expenses. They understand the difference between saving and investing and know how to balance the two. They prioritize their long-term financial goals by setting aside a portion of their income for savings and investing. But before we move on, please comment below if you can relate to the video, and if you find this video helpful and interesting, please consider liking the video and share it to your loved ones and friends. Back to the video. Third, they have an emergency fund. A financially educated person understands the importance of having an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money set aside for unexpected expenses, such as car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. A financially educated person has an emergency fund with enough money to cover at least 6 months of expenses. Having an emergency fund is critical because it can help you avoid getting into debt or having to take out loans to cover unexpected expenses. Financially educated people understand the importance of having an emergency fund, and they make it a priority to save for one. Ideally, an emergency fund should have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This will give you peace of mind and help you weather any financial storms may come your way. Fourth, they have a retirement plan. A financially educated person also has a retirement plan. They understand that they need to save for retirement and that time is their greatest ally. A financially educated person has a retirement plan that includes diversified investment portfolio and regular contributions to their retirement account. This involves setting up a retirement account, such as a 401k or individual retirement account or IRA, and contributing to it regularly. They also understand the importance of diversifying their investment to minimize risk and maximize returns. Furthermore, a financially educated person may also explore other retirement options, such as investing in real estate or starting a business that can generate passive income streams for them in their later years. By taking these proactive steps, they can ensure a comfortable and secure retirement. Fifth, they are debt-free or manage their debt wisely. A financially educated person is either debt-free or manages their debt wisely. They understand that debt can be a burden on their financial health, and they avoid taking on unnecessary debt. If they do have debt, they have a plan to pay it off and are making regular payments. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial stability and freedom, so it is important to understand how to manage it effectively. Financially educated individuals understand that there are different types of debt and that some debt can be considered good debt if managed responsibly. For example, taking out a mortgage to purchase a home can be a smart financial decision because it is an investment that has the potential to appreciate in value over time. On the other hand, bad debt is a debt that is taken on for items that decrease in value over time or that are unnecessary. Credit card debt is a common example of bad debt, as high interest rates can quickly lead to financial trouble. 6. They are educated about investments. A financially educated person is also educated about investments. They understand the different types of investments, the risks and rewards of each, and how to diversify their portfolio. They have a long-term investment strategy and make informed decisions about their investments. Some financially educated individuals invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. They may also invest in real estate, commodities, or other alternative investments. They research and analyze each investment opportunity thoroughly before investing, and they stay up to date on market trends and economic indicators. 7th, they live below their means. Living below their means is another sign of a financially educated person. They understand that spending more money than they can earn can lead to financial trouble, and they avoid lifestyle inflation. They live within their means and prioritize their spending on what is important to them. In addition, financially educated people also understand the power of negotiation. They know how to negotiate better deals on purchases and are not afraid to ask for discounts or to walk away from a deal if it's not in their best interest. 8th, they are savvy shoppers. A financially educated person is a savvy shopper. They know how to find the best deals, compare prices, and use coupons and discounts. They also avoid impulse purchases and only buy what they need. 9th, they have a financial plan. A financially educated person has a financial plan. They have set financial goals and know how they will achieve them. They have a budget, a retirement plan, an investment strategy, and a plan that pay off debt. They review their financial plan regularly and make adjustments as necessary. 10th, they seek financial advice. The final sign of a financially educated person is that they seek financial advice. They understand that they don't know everything about finance and that there is always something new to learn. They seek advice from financial experts, read financial books and articles, and attend financial seminars and workshops. In conclusion, being financially educated is not just about knowing how to make money. It's about knowing how to manage and grow your wealth wisely. Financially educated people have a budget, pay themselves first, have an emergency fund, have a retirement plan, manage their debt wisely, are educated about investments, live below their means, and are savvy shoppers. By following these habits, you can ensure that you are on a path to financial freedom and stability. It takes time and effort to build good financial habits, but the payoff is well worth it in the end. Remember, being financially educated doesn't mean you have to be a financial expert, but it does mean you need to be aware of the choices you make and the potential consequences. With some education, planning, and discipline, you can take control of your financial life and achieve your goals. Thank you for watching Joseph Levert Finance, your go-to channel for all things personal finance, investing, and wealth building. I hope you found value in today's video and that it inspires you to take action towards your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like these. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Join our community by leaving a comment below and let us know what financial topics you'd like us to cover next. Remember, financial freedom is possible for anyone, and we're here to help you make it happen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.